Welcome to dive into the thrilling realm of blogging today and uncover the numerous ways your writing passion can translate into a rewarding income stream. This guide is an effective exploration of the diverse methods available to monetize a blog, whether you're a seasoned blogger or a newbie. First on the list is the bedrock of any successful blog is the creation of valuable, engaging content. Pinpoint your niche and cater to the needs of your audience. Deliver unique insights, handy tips, and engaging narratives that keep your readers returning. If travel is your passion, captivate your audience with personal experiences, insider tips, and breathtaking visuals. Consider incorporating travel itineraries, budget guides, and unconventional recommendations. The second step is forge partnerships with brands and promote products or services that align with your niche. Each sale made through your affiliate links earns you a commission. As a fashion blogger, you could review clothing, accessories, or beauty products. Embed your affiliate links within your content or in standalone product review posts. Thirdly, there's earn revenue by hosting ads on your blog or joining forces with brands for sponsored content. As your blog gains momentum, companies may seek you out for sponsored posts, reviews, or brand mentions. If your blog is technology-centered, you could team up with tech companies for sponsored reviews, product showcases, or guest posts that resonate with your audience's interests. Fourth is develop and sell your digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or exclusive content. You could also offer services like coaching, consulting, or freelance writing. As a food blogger, you could create and sell a comprehensive recipe ebook, conduct cooking classes, or offer personalized meal plans for your readers. Lastly, consider offer premium content or exclusive perks to subscribers or members who pay a recurring fee. Incentivize memberships with specialized content, early access, or community engagement. As a fitness blogger, you could offer exclusive workout plans, nutrition guides, and access to a supportive community for your premium subscribers. Remember, successful monetization is a journey that requires time and dedication. Building a loyal audience, establishing credibility, and consistently delivering high-quality content are all vital steps towards earning from your blog. Here's a success story to inspire you. In summary, blog monetization requires a multifaceted approach. Experiment with different strategies, analyze what resonates with your audience, and adapt your approach accordingly. Stay committed, stay passionate, and watch your blog transform into a rewarding income source. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on monetizing your passions. Drop your comments below about your blog monetization journey. I'm eager to hear from you.